Okay, I had to squeeze it in. Okay. Oh, I see why. Let me get that back out. The buttons are sticking up. Okay. Now it's back in. DD40. Shine it back up. And just be very careful. Never, 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 ever, ever, ever have juice or anything when you're by a sewing machine. This is, especially if your hands get, you know what I mean? Okay. Now I'm going to plug it up. And I check the plug all the time too. Okay. So the plug is there. Can you imagine me picking it up from here like I normally do? Put it away, and I would have been seriously electrified, especially if my hands were wet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's really old sewing machine. So let's see, I'm gonna get some gunmetal spray, black, and that'll make it look good again. I occasionally spray up there with some DD40 when it's unplugged. There's no plugs here, it's just a spring. It's got some DD40 on the rag, so to keep that from spray it on the rag. See this? And I kind of put it right there on that spring. And it's all clean. DD40 is really nice for that, to shine things up. There. Okay, ladies and gents. All taken care of. So every once in a while, check your machine to make sure that everything is not accidentally cut. And I'm lucky that this particular sewing machine has a lot of plug to it. So have a blessed day, everyone. This is So Fabulous with a So Fabulous sewing machine repair on the electrical foot of the sewing machine pedal.